Oh my, what's better than a $9.99 Sunday? That's what we've got. All these are $9.99, $9.99. And many, they're just beautiful. They're classics, black and whites. They're just going to be a beautiful part of your wardrobe. Look at this. Isn't that so cool? This is 100% cotton. It's a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction. So it'd be adorable little capris, a little jacket. Just perfect. Black and white, just amazing. This is 100% viscose. Stretch in one direction, the direction opposite the stripe. So obviously this would be a great pair of slacks. Just so pretty. It's black. It's got a little bit of white and then a little red pinstripe in there. Both sides are usable. Oh, could be so many things. 100% viscose. It's beautiful. These are all Italian, you guys. These are really, really nice. But we're just kind of clearing out things we're just starting all fresh. We want everything fresh. So these are just beautiful and clean, and this is a great way to start. So this is a black and white. It's 100% cotton. It has stretch in one direction. And it just, wouldn't that be cute for a little cardi? Just, you know, kind of, because you can see through the little holes there. The texture on this is fabulous. 100% cotton. Lovely fabric. This is 100% cotton. Also a stretch woven. Perfect stretch in one direction. Again, perfect for those little pants, for this, you know, little spring cute pants or a cute little jacket. Would be wonderful for that. This is 100% cotton and it's gorgeous. It's a solid black. It's a woven. It's kind of like a suede cotton. It's very, very pretty. It's very nice. It has great drape, just like a pantsuit would be beautiful, you know, but casual because it's a cotton, so it's not real fancy or real dressy. Just beautiful. Very pretty. And then here we have a cotton poly. I love this stripe. It has stretch in both directions, so you could do lots with it. Great little cardi. Just a fun chic dress. All kinds of great things with that. So the goal is today only, $9.99. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.